Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some foot massage and its foot health, which is very important. And watch this video till the end, then you will get know how to do some different massages. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And foot massage is a powerful tool for promoting overall health and well-being by stimulating specific pressure points and areas of tension. Foot massage can help reduce stress and anxiety, relieve pain and inflammation, and improve circulation. Regular foot massage can also enhance sleep quality, boost energy level, and support immune function. Whether you are looking to relax, rejuvenate, or simply take care of your body, foot massage is a simple yet effective way to prioritize your health and promote a sense of calm and tranquility. And foot massage can have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, relieving pain and inflammation, improving circulation and reducing swelling, enhancing flexibility and range of motion, boosting energy level and promoting relaxation. Regular foot massage can also improve sleep quality, support immune system function, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, enhance overall well-being. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video.